Every day, millions of people make instant coffee in seconds. The journey begins when trucks arrive at a gigantic coffee factory carrying raw green coffee beans. These beans are not brown yet. They are hard, pale green, and have almost none of the strong coffee aroma people know. At the receiving area, every delivery is weighed, scanned, and recorded. Barcode systems identify the supplier, batch number, origin, and date. This allows the factory to trace every sack from arrival to final product. Samples are taken from the bags and sent to the quality control lab. There, technicians test the beans for moisture, size, smell, color, and defects. They also check for stones, sticks, broken beans, husks, and metal fragments. Only approved beans are allowed into production. The beans are then poured into stainless steel hoppers and moved by conveyors into automated cleaning machines. Vibrating screens remove dust and small particles. Air classifiers blow away light husks. Destiners remove heavy stones. Magnetic separators remove tiny metal pieces. Optical sorters scan the beans with cameras and use air jets to remove defective beans instantly. Now, the clean green beans move into storage silos. From there, automated valves release the exact amount needed for roasting. Inside giant industrial roasters, hot air surrounds the beans as they tumble. Slowly, the beans change from green to yellow, then light brown, and finally deep brown. This is where the rich coffee aroma is created. Sensors control temperature, airflow, time, and bean color to make sure every batch tastes consistent. After roasting, the hot beans are released into a cooling tray. Automatic arms move through the beans while powerful fans cool them quickly. This stops the roast at the perfect moment. The roasted beans are stored briefly for degassing, then sent into industrial grinders.
Flow rate steady, beans moving smoothly. Adjusting silo pressure now.
The grinders crush the beans into precise particles. If the grind is too coarse, extraction will be weak. If it is too fine, it can block the system. Next, the ground coffee enters huge stainless steel extraction columns. Hot water is pumped through the coffee under controlled pressure and temperature. This brews coffee on a massive scale and produces a strong, dark liquid called coffee extract. The extract is separated from the spent coffee grounds using filters and centrifuges. The used grounds may be recycled as biomass fuel or compost. The clean coffee extract is then pumped into evaporators, where much of the water is removed. Under vacuum, the water boils at a lower temperature, helping protect the coffee flavor. Now the thick coffee concentrate is ready for drying. In spray drying, the concentrate is pumped to the top of a huge drying tower and sprayed into tiny droplets. Hot air removes the water in seconds, turning the liquid into dry instant coffee powder. Some powder is turned into larger granules through agglomeration. Steam helps tiny particles stick together, then warm air dries them again. These granules pour easily and dissolve quickly. For premium instant coffee, factories may use freeze drying. The coffee concentrate is frozen, broken into granules, and dried under vacuum. The ice changes directly into vapor, leaving dry, porous coffee granules with a more premium texture. After drying, the coffee moves through sealed systems into blending machines. Different batches may be mixed to create strong, mild, decaffeinated, or 3-in-1 coffee blends. Every batch is tested for moisture, color, aroma, taste, density, and solubility. Finally, the coffee enters the packaging hall. Empty jars move along conveyors, are cleaned, filled, sealed, capped, labeled, coated, and inspected automatically. Sachets and stick packs are formed, filled, sealed, and cut at high speed. Robotic arms place the finished products into cartons. Machines seal the boxes, stack them on pallets, wrap them, scan them, and send them into the automated warehouse. From there, the instant coffee is shipped to supermarkets, offices, hotels, and homes around the world. So when you add instant coffee to your cup, remember, those simple brown granules have passed through cleaning, roasting, grinding, extraction, drying, blending, testing, robotic packaging, and global distribution. That is how millions of instant coffee servings are made every day inside a mega factory.